Good morning and welcome to day 11 of me solving an algorithm per day. Today's challenge is cats and mouse. Two cats and a mouse are at various positions on a line. You will be given their starting positions. Your task is to determine which cat will reach the mouse first, assuming the mouse does not move and the cats travel at equal speed. If the cats arrive at the same time, the mouse will be allowed to move and will escape while they fight. You're giving queries in the form of X, Y, and Z, representing the respective positions for cats A and B and for mouse C. Complete the function cat and mouse to return the appropriate answer to each query, which will be printed on a new line. If cat A catches the mouse first, print cat A. If cat B catches the mouse first, print cat B. If both cats reach the mouse at the same time, print mouse C as the two cats fight and the mouse escapes. Okay, position 2 and 5 for B is closer because from 5 to 4. Okay. They have equal speed, right? Cats have at equal speed. Okay, equal speed. That means we want to say distance A is Z minus X and distance B is Z minus Y, right? And if distance A is equal distance B, then they are both at the same time at the mouse and the mouse wins. If distance A is bigger than distance B, or let's just say smaller, then print cat A. Distance A, distance B. Else print cat B. What? Whoops, we're not printing, we are returning. Run. Wrong answer. 2, 1, 2. This is 2, this is 1. Cat B. Okay. Here we have 1. Wait a second. Oh, we should consider the minus. Okay, let's just do it this way. Z bigger than X. Then say Z minus X, else X minus Z. So we always have the difference, but always in positive, so I don't have to do any math. Y. Test case succeeded. Submit. Congratulations! That was today's algorithm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like if you like this format, leave a comment if you have any feedback, and subscribe to not miss out on tomorrow's algorithm. See you then.